My name is General M. Garcia. So now let's talk about the innovation or technology supplied. They create or innovate organic food, which they grow themselves. This serve as an alternative food source in case they run out of commercial foods, ensuring that the fish still have something to eat natural. What were the most significant insight gained from the visit? I learned that fish farming requires careful management for water quality, feeding, and fish health. It's not just about raising fish, but also about maintaining a balanced environment that you can grow well. How did this experience enhance your understanding of aquaculture? This experience helped me understand that aquaculture is a scientific and organized process. It involves planning, the use of equipment, and knowledge of fish behavior, seeing how the workers manage the ponds.
As we observe the picture, makikita natin usa nga ging culture nira. Makita natin na daan, shell, ngan, and crab. So, man also nalaman ko nga may different types of crabs ngayon. So, itong nga eraging culture is an Christian crabs. So, kay ano Christian crabs or kay ano gintawag nila nga Christian crabs kasi as we observe nga, makikita natin na picture nga an shell hand crabs and yellow yu is makers. So, that's why ang siya gintawag nga Christian crabs.
How does the operator maintain water quality? The operator maintains water quality by regularly monitoring and adjusting key factors such as temperature, level, dissolved oxygen, and ammonia level. They perform water exchange or clarification to remove waste and excess feed, use generators to supply oxygen and ensure the water remains clean and suitable for culture species. Next, number 3, what feeding strategies are used for culture species? So, feeding strategies include providing nutritionally balanced feed at the right time and in proper amounts to avoid waste. Next, number 4, how are disease prevent or manage? Disease are prevent by maintaining good water quality, avoid stacking and using healthy fry and fingerlings. The operator ensure proper sanitation, quarantine of new stock, and disinfections of equipment. If disease occurs, affected fish are insulated and treated using approved methods such as salt baths, medication, or probiotics. Okay, the purpose of these pictures is to help maintain and improve the quality of the water in the tank by naturally filtering it. Water levels absorbs excess nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus that come from fish weight and leftover. Field preventing the growth of harmful algae. It also provides shield, which is helps to regulate the water temperature and reduce evaporation. So additionally, the plant offers the natural habitat for small quadratic organism and contribute to the balanced and healthy quadratic environment.
What challenge does the operator face and how they address? The operator faces challenges like water quality challenge and efficiencies, which are managed through regular monitoring and proper creation. How does the site contribute to sustainable aquaculture? The site promotes sustainable aquaculture by using eco-friendly practice and maintaining clean water to protect the environment.
What did you learn that can be applied to your future aquaculture practice? What I learned that can be applied to my future aquaculture practice is the importance of proper management, such as maintaining good water quality, using the right feeding methods, and applying biosecurity measures to prevent disease. I also learned that innovation and technology can help to improve production efficiency and sustainability in aquaculture.
This picture shows an indoor aquaculture facility or fish hatchery. The tanks are used to raise or breed fish in a controlled environment with net and pipes for water management and aeration to keep the fish healthy.
What improvements did you notice at the site? So, yung napansin ko habang inoobserbahan namin yung fish ponds ay maayos naman yung environment, maayos naman yung pag-aalaga nila sa mga species, yung pagdaloy ng tubig. Pero, yun nga, may isang problema sila na hinaharap ngayon, yung financial. Isa sa mga hindi nila maiwasan yung mawalan ng supplies ng food. Pero kahit ganun pa man, hindi nila pinapabayaan na walang makain yung mga isda. How can you apply what you learned to your future? So, kung papalarin ako someday, nais kong magkaroon ng sariling fish pond kahit maliit lang para isa ako sa mga nakakatulong sa mga tao na hindi na nila kailangan pumunta sa malalayong lugar para manguha ng isda. Pwede na silang kumuha ng supply sa akin. What type of aquaculture system was used at the site? So, karaniwang ginagamit sa aquaculture ang pond system o palaisdaan sa punduhan. Dito, inihahanda ang malalaking pond o artificial na tubig lang kung saan inaalagaan ng mga isda o hipon. May kontrolado ang daloy ng tubig, pagkain at kalinisan para masiguro ang maayos ng paglaki ng mga species. So, ang larawang ito ay isang uri ng organic food na pinapakain sa mga species kapag nawawala ng supply food sapagkat kailangan pa rin nilang panatilihin na mapakainin yung mga species para patuloy silang masigla.
And now, let's talk about the two types of aerator. Well, at our interview, Kuya said that there is a two types of aerator. First is the surface aerator and then the diffused aerator. For the surface aerator, it is for morning and then it agitate the surface of the water, increasing oxygen levels and promoting a fresh start for aquatic life. Like it is like a morning call for them since when pagwaray ini nga surface aerator diri maamo kay at morning ko no ang mga aquatic plants is photosynthesis. Yung gagamit din nga surface aerator para mag-support ng oxygen, magpako ng tubig. So that's how it is. So now let's talk about the feeding method. Well, at our interview, Kuya said that there is a proper feeding method for the naginihimo pag nagfi-feederan fish or an aquacultured species just like an crabs and an turtles and an mga mini fish. So, para ha crabs ng turtle, siling ni Kuya na bayhira ha market in like hawol-hawol or any kind of fish basta natutubong. And then, ha mga little fish is mga feeds. So, that's what Kuya said. So, water quality management. At our interview, Kuya said that nga dihira na ko water and then gi-filter light to using their tools and technology tipakada era base. So, dito, ang water nga nakuha didi, gi-filter out and then can you use and then drained and then filter out, use and drain. So, cycle lahiya. That's how it works. So, Next is the diffused aerator. So this type of aerator releases fine bubbles deep into the water, providing a steady and calm oxygen supply throughout the night. Kasi at night, aquatic plants stop photosynthesizing. So in that case, like mahabubuan oxygen, it may drop. So ginagamit ini nga diffused aerator para i-support han oxygen han mga cultured species. Nagpo-provide yan steady and calm oxygen para makaingan mga species. So that's how it is.
Disease control. Ito yung kung paano nila inalagaan ng mabuti ang mga species. At pag may nakikita silang kakaiba mga species, agad itong hiniwalay para hindi makahawa sa iba. Common problem. Ayon sa aking natutunan, ang kulang sa kanila yung financial. Dahil pag walang supply ng pagkain, sila ang pumipili at sariling pira ang kanilang pinagastos. Environmental management and biosecurity. Sa natutunan ko, ito yung problema na ay supply ng tubig. Dahil masyadong madumi ang unang pinagkunan ng tubig nila. Kaya nahirapan sila maghanap ng supply ng tubig. Common problem ayon sa aking natutunan ang kulang sa kanila yung financial. Dahil pag walang supply ng pagkain, sila ang pumipili at sariling pera ang kanilang pagkakas. Environmental management at biosecurity. Ang natutunan ko, ito ang problema supply ng tubig dahil masyadong madumi na ang tubig